How to turn Visa gift card into cash using PayPal. Visa gift cards can be converted into cash using PayPal by following these steps. Visit PayPal's website or open the PayPal app. On the page you can see wallet or payment methods and click on it. Then select link a credit or debit card. Enter your card details including card number, expiration date, security code, CVV. Double-check your card information and click Link Card. Once the card is linked, you can transfer its balance by sending money to a friend or trusted person. Ask the recipient to return the money to you via PayPal. This converts the Visa gift card balance into PayPal cash. Transfer the money from your PayPal account to your bank account or a PayPal cash card. Thanks for watching.